strong.
Okay, so today we're going to go to GIMP.org and we're going to download GIMP. So when you go to GIMP.org, you're going to see that download orange button right there. You're going to click on that and it's going to take you to the download page. And you're just going to scroll down a little bit because these Dell computers are the Windows ones. So you're going to download the orange button and you're going to see it. Once you hit it, it's going to populate it on the bottom left of your browser. You're just going to double click on that to install it. You want to install for me only and choose English unless you want another language, and then hit install. It will install. It'll probably take a little while because it's a big file. You hit finish and then go to your start function, and you should see it right there on your task, and you can just drag it out and make it a shortcut on your desktop. So that's how you download GIMP. Now you're going to want to hold down the FN key on your keyboard and hit F11, which is the print screen button. So this is how you print screen anything that's on your screen. Okay, so once you hit print screen and you're on your desktop, you can see it right there. Just go down here and find Paint. Paint, and then just hit Control V on your keyboard. Control V as in very, and it'll paste right there. There's the GIMP. That's how I know you downloaded it. Then you go File, Save As, save it as a JPEG, save it on your desktop. Save it as your name, screenshot, hit save, and then that's what you're going to upload. He's right there. That's what you're going to upload into Google Classroom for the assignment. You're going to attach this JPEG to your assignment and upload it, submit it, and then that is the easy 25 points. If you forget how to attach a photo and submit it in Google Classroom, here's how you do that.
Alright, so we're going to do a quick demo on how to upload a file to a Google Classroom assignment. Now the first thing you're going to do is to find the assignment on your Google Classroom feed and open the assignment. The way you do that is you find that assignment and click the Open button right there. Once you've opened your assignment, you're going to look for this option right here, the one that says Add. This is where you can add your files. Now when you click on that, it's going to pull this drop-down menu down for you. Now the way that I recommend that you add your files is to first upload it to Google Drive. Then all you have to do is choose the Google Drive option right there.
You don't have to do that.
Attach directly to
do
your
this
assignment.
next one.
There's
the
also
file.
an option here for you to attach the file directly if you have not
do this
already
one.
put it on Google Drive. If you use the file option, you'll be prompted to find the file on your computer or on your flash drive or whatever.
Should be on your
And
desktop.
here you can see that I've already done that. Now, of course, the important step here is to then click the blue Upload button right there. It'll take a minute or so for that file to load up, but that'll get it attached to your assignment. Now here you can see it. We're back to our assignment, and there's our file right there. It is attached to our assignment, and you'll see there's a place there that you can add a private comment if you want to. But here's the really important step. Click the Turn It In button. So once you see that your file is there, you can click the Turn It In button and your assignment is done.
And that's it.